Are you weary of endlessly scrolling to find the perfect illustration that complements your brand? Welcome to Illustrations AI. This platform enables you to create on-brand illustrations that adhere strictly to your style guidelines. The AI model learns from your images and creates these unique, brand-specific images for you. Rather than using generic illustrations from the internet, you can create your own, one-of-a-kind illustration that aligns perfectly with your brand. These can be used for your website, social media, blogs, presentations, or even new landing pages. Now, let's walk through how the application works. Upon logging into Illustrations AI, you'll be presented with 3 options. The most popular feature allows you to create your own style. We'll revisit this later. For now, let's start with creating an illustration. Once you're in, you'll see an option to choose the style you want to use for your illustration. You can either create your own style or select from any of our default styles. For our demo, we'll choose the Notion style. Let's say you want to create an illustration for a new delivery feature on your website. We'll create an illustration that depicts package exchange with a location pin. After entering the prompt, click Generate. As you can see, we now have a unique illustration that perfectly matches the Notion brand. If you wish to create another illustration in a different style, simply select it and click Generate again. As you can see, we now have another illustration that perfectly aligns with the Slack brand. Suppose we're not satisfied with the generated image, you can simply click the edit icon here and start inputting your desired changes. For instance, if we want to replace the flower pot with something else, we can prompt it. As a result, a new image will be generated. For more precise edits, we provide a precision mode where you can select and edit specific parts of the image. Now, let's move on to the second feature we offer: packs. We have over 7 packs available for you to create your own illustration set. We also regularly release new illustration packs. For example, if you're working on a digital marketing project and need related illustrations, you can use the Digital Marketing Pack. Selecting this pack will provide you with 5 illustrations. You can also select the style you prefer. Let's choose the Dropbox style and click Generate. This will initiate the generation of a set of illustrations. You can monitor the progress here. As you can see, all 5 illustrations from the Digital Marketing Pack have been generated. This process, which would typically take an illustrator hours of work and numerous revisions to perfect, is completed in just a few seconds. If you're satisfied with the illustration, you can recreate it, edit it further, or select from our export formats. For instance, you can download it as an SVG file. Your illustration is now ready to be used on your website. Another important feature we offer allows you to adapt an existing illustration to your unique brand style. Let's demonstrate. Go to Create Illustrations and select the image prompt. Upload the image you wish to adapt and click Generate. As you can see, we now have a gallery view of the adapted image in the unique style we selected. The new image closely resembles the original but has been converted from a generic style to our own custom style. Let's now return to the Create Own Style section. This is where you can truly maximize the benefits of Illustrations AI by creating illustrations that perfectly match your brand style. Let's give it a name. Suppose you have a set of illustrations that you wish to train in your own style for future use. Select all the images you want to include and upload them. When uploading, it's crucial to ensure that all images are consistent with your brand style. While the quantity of images can influence the quality of your trained model, don't feel compelled to include images that don't match your style. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click Create Style. Our AI is now initiating the training of your images. If you navigate to My Styles, you'll notice the presence of our newly created style. Let's employ it to create our own illustrations. We'll use the same prompt as before, designed to create an illustration for the delivery application, and then click on Generate. As you can observe, we've successfully created a unique illustration. This is a task that usually requires an illustrator, but now it perfectly matches our own style. We've trained it and can now generate any number of illustrations. Additionally, you can head over to Packs and generate illustrations from there using the new style we created. The generated illustrations will appear here. All illustrations from the pack have now been generated. You'll find an array of completely new illustrations from the pack. We now have a variety of new illustrations that can be utilized for a new project, and you can continue to create many more like this.